Hi, I'm Bridget and this is how you grow lawn from grass seeds. Let's get into it. Before you start, think about the lawn seed you want to use. Different grass types thrive in different climates, so pick the right one for your area. For example, if you live in a cooler region, a fescue or rye might be a good choice. For warmer climates, you may lean towards kikuyu or couch grass. Most seeds you find today come in blends that cater to different needs, such as hardy blends for high traffic areas, shade blends for lawns that receive limited sunlight, or tough blends for areas that need extra resilience. Choosing the right blends for your conditions will ensure your lawn thrives. To determine how much seed you need to measure the area in square metres. To do that, you measure the length by the width. Once you have the total area, refer to the seed packet for coverage rates, as different seed blends will have specific recommendations on how much seed is required per square metre. This ensures you spread the right amount for optimal coverage and growth. Once you've selected the seed and how many packets, it's time to prepare the soil. A well-prepared surface is key to success, so start by removing any weeds or debris from the area. Give the soil a good turn with a rake or garden fork, breaking up any clumps to ensure the seed has a smooth surface to settle into. Consider using a cultivator to break up the compacted soil. You can choose between a manual or a powered version, both of which are great options for loosening the soil and preparing it for planting. Then, using a soil spreader, level out the surface. Next, it's a good idea to lay some quality soil. This provides a nutrient-rich base that will help your grass seeds germinate quickly and grow strong roots. Spread the soil evenly over the area to about 2 centimetres thick. Fill in any dips or low spots to ensure a consistent surface for your grass to grow evenly. An uneven lawn can make mowing difficult and may cause the seeds to wash into lower areas when watering or during rainfall. Now, time to grow your grass seed. Instead of mixing your lawn starter and seed together, spread your lawn starter over the already prepared area and then spread your lawn seed. You can do this by hand or with a seed spreader. Once you've spread the lawn starter, rake in one direction. To ensure an even distribution, sow the seed in 2 passes, first going east to west, then north to south. This technique ensures even seed distribution across the lawn. Make sure to follow the instructions on the seed packet for the correct seeding rate. After sowing, lightly rake the area in the opposite direction of your first rake to help cover the seed with the soil. Then thoroughly water the area gently with a fine mist spray. Keep the soil consistently moist during the germination period, which typically takes 7 to 21 days depending on the type of grass. Be sure not to overwater, as this can wash the seeds away or cause waterlogging. In the weeks that follow, keep an eye on your new lawn. As the grass starts to grow, avoid walking on it until it's well established. Once it reaches about 5 to 8 centimetres tall, you can give it its first mow. Make sure to only trim a small amount off the top and never cut more than 1/3 of the blade height at a time. As your new lawn germinates and grows, it's important to keep an eye on any weeds that pop up to prevent them from competing with your new lawn. And there you have it. With a little care and patience, your lawn will be thriving in no time. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.